Hi, welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for March 2013. If you'll give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to speed on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. First off, let's jump right in with a chart that shows our trademarked market action index for the St. Louis metro area. This is a quick snapshot of the market, and you will see since the beginning of the year, since January, it is shooting up, which is good. It's approaching 29. On this market action index, a 30 would be a balanced market, something we haven't seen since this was introduced back in '09. But at 30, it's a balanced market, not favoring buyers or sellers. Below 30, it's still favoring buyers. So we're still in a buyer's market, but barely. There are a lot of markets in St. Louis that have moved into a seller's market. Let's jump to the next slide here and see why we're moving into a seller's market. You can see here this chart that shows the past year for the metro area, shows the inventory of homes for sale, the black line. You can see it peaked back in the summer at about 17,200 homes and has dropped since the beginning of this year, is well under the or way down from where it was a year ago when it was about 15,000 homes. Now it's down under 13,000. Has climbed a little bit here as we head into spring and sellers start thinking about putting their homes on the market, but inventory is way down. And now the orange line, the days on market, that has been increasing, but you can see that's pretty much seasonal. We're around the 120-day mark here, which is actually better than it was a year ago. And this again, now this chart again shows the inventory, same as before, the black line. However, it shows the orange line shows the price per foot. So it shows what's happening to the price per foot of a house in the metro area. And we can see that for the metro area as a whole, it's about $100 a foot. So it is up from where it was a year ago slightly, maybe a point or two here. That's about it on this chart. But you can see that it has steadily climbed since the beginning of the year. Now we're going to jump into some charts that show the core of the St. Louis market, just the 5 counties that make up the bulk of the Missouri part of the St. Louis metro area. So it's St. Louis County, St. Louis City, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and Franklin County. So these remaining slides, they depict data from those 5 counties. This first one here shows the number of sales and average sales price. For the past year, the blue columns are the number of sales. And we can see here a little over 2,000, been pretty steady the last 2 months. January and February were about the same. If we jump back to a year ago, we can see that February this year was maybe just slightly better than February a year ago. The green line shows the average sales price, and average-wise, we're pretty close to about the same as last year. This chart shows the median home sales prices as well as the median time to sell, how long it's taken to sell a home. The red line is the time to sell, the yellow is the price. And we can see there's seasonal fluctuations as we'd expect with price. They go up over the summer typically. And we can see now since the beginning of the year, had a little bit of an uptick in price, the yellow line here heading up a little bit. And you can see that we are in fact up higher than what we were a year ago. So median prices are higher than they were a year ago. Days on market, the time it's taken to sell homes, while it's increased a little bit over the last couple of months, is still down quite a bit from a year ago. This chart shows how well realtors are doing pricing the homes and what they ultimately sell for in terms of a ratio of the final sales price to the original list price. I actually show this 2 ways. The red line shows the final sales price to original list price, and the yellow line up here shows final sales price to what it was priced at the time of sale, so after reductions and stuff. You can see the yellow line's been averaging 96, 97% for some time. Homes are selling for close to 97% of what they're currently listed for. We can see the list prices are starting out a little better, but they've fallen off here, still only bringing about 93% of what they were originally listed for, so they're still being overpriced. This is listing inventory in terms of months of supply. There's about a 7-month supply for the 5-county area right now. That's down from about a 9-month supply a year ago. And here's an overall look at the past 10 years for median sales prices, which is the green line, and median list prices, which is the blue line. You can see we're down in negative territory from 10 years ago. and that's just the reality. And there you go. There's the 5 minutes. There's the update for this month. Be sure to scan the QR code on the right there. That'll take you to our website with a lot more resources and also contact information. Check out stlouisrealestatesearch.com. That's on the left there. That's our real estate search site. You can search the MLS, everything for sale in the metro area, and you can get a lot more resources at our website, stlre.com. That's stlre.com or mo-re.com. Thank you, and until next month, God bless you. Hi, welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update. Blah, blah, blah.